Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and it's a school situated in Gola Bazar. Today our topic is writing numbers in an order and we have to discuss on this topic. Let's take an example. The top 3 individual scores of an IPL series are given below. Arrange this score in ascending and descending order. Shikhar Dhawan 479. Shikhar Dhawan 479 and David Warner 641. David Warner 641 and Stephen Smith 472. Stephen Smith 472. What we have to do? We have to arrange it in ascending order and descending order. Okay? When numbers are written from the smallest to the greatest, they are in ascending order and increasing order. When numbers are written from the smallest to the greatest, they are in ascending order or increasing order. And when numbers are written from the greatest to the smallest, they are in called descending order or decreasing order. Okay, so we have to arrange this in ascending order and descending order. Firstly, we have to arrange it in ascending order. When we arrange in ascending order, we have to write the smallest to greatest. Okay, so the smallest number is 472. After that, then will be 479 and after that there will be 641. And when we write in descending order, that will be opposite angle, opposite form of ascending order. Okay, so we have to write greatest to smallest. So there will be 641, 479 and 417. Okay, these numbers are arranged in ascending and descending order. Okay, once again I have repeated, when numbers are written from the smallest to the greatest, they are in ascending order or increasing order, and when numbers are written from the greatest to the smallest, they are in descending order, decreasing order. And now we have to learn forming numbers. Our next topic is forming numbers. How we can form numbers? Forming numbers. Forming numbers. Okay, let's see how we can form numbers. Forming numbers. Okay, listen carefully. How we can form numbers? Then we have to, from the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 3271. There are some digits 7, 3, 2, 1. You have to make a smallest and greatest number. When you will make greatest number from these digits, greatest number, and also you have to make the smallest number from this given digit. Okay, what we have to make? We have to build greatest number and the smallest number from given digits and write the digit in descending order. If you want to write a greatest number, if you build a greatest number, then you have to arrange these digits in descending order. Okay, so we have to write it this form 7, 7, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this number is 7321. What I have said once, if you build this number, greatest number, if you build greatest number, then you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Okay, and if you want to make the smallest number from this, then you have to make 1, 2, then you have to arrange it in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 7. That is the smallest number. Okay, and there is another example from such type. Listen carefully. Another example. There are digits 0459, 0459, and you have to make greatest number and the smallest number from the given digits. and smallest number from the given digits. In these digits there are 0 also. Firstly, if you build a greatest number, you have to write the digits in descending order. If you build a greatest number, then write the digits in descending order, that is 9, 5, 4, 0, that is 9540. And if you want to make a smallest number, then you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. And so there will be 0, 4, 5, 9, 0, 4, 5, 9, but that is not the smallest number. Okay, so you have to 0 at the beginning of a number gives us a 3-digit number. 0 at the beginning of this number gives us 3-digit number. So this number, so exchange the position of 0 and 4 to form the smallest 4-digit number. And you have to make smallest 4-digit number, so you have to change the position. You have to exchange the position of 0 and 4 to make smallest 4-digit number. So there will be 4059, that is 4059. Once again, there are some digits 0, 4, 5, 9. If you build the greatest number, write the digits in descending order, that is 9540. And if you build the smallest number, then you have to write the digits in ascending order. And when you 0 at the beginning of a number, and you have to make 4-digit greatest and smallest number, and 0 at beginning, it gives us 3-digit number. So we have to exchange the position of 0 and 4, that will be the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. And now the next topic is successor and predecessor. Firstly, we have to learn what is successor and what is predecessor. There is an example. Rohit is playing with a calculator and he has typed 4326 on it. And what would Rohit get if he adds 1 to 4326? Add 1 to the number to get its successor. If you want to find successor of any number, then you have to add 1 to the number. Okay? And if you want to get its predecessor, if you want to get a number's predecessor, then you have to subtract 1 from the number. Okay? So there is the number 4326. 4326 plus 1, that is 4327. So we can say that 4327 is the successor of 4326. Okay, and 4326 comes just after 4326, and 4327 comes just after 4326. Okay, sorry, 4326. So we can say that 4327 is the successor of 4326. So 4327 is the successor of 4326. Okay, and now take another example for predecessor, and you know that what would Rohit get if he subtract 1 from 4326? What would Rohit get if he subtract 4326 from 1 from 4326? Okay, that will be 4325. So we can say that 4325 comes just before. 4325 comes just before 4324. Okay, so we can say that 4325 comes just before 4326. 26. Okay. So we can say that 4,325. So 4,325 is the predecessor of 4,326. Okay, so we can say that 4,325 is the predecessor of 4,326. There is an example. Find a successor of 9,348. Okay, so what will be there? Will be successor that is 9,348 plus 1, that is 9,349. Okay, and now we have to find a predecessor of find a predecessor of 9,845. So predecessor will be 9845 minus 1, that is 9844. So we can say that 9,844 is predecessor of 9,845. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet with a new video and new ideas. Thank you.